He's a nice guy. I think he just had a temper tantrum.
Okay, yeah, he's a nice guy, but he's a bit of an acquired taste.
Yeah, yeah, we'll just say that. Guys, we're gonna go, and we're gonna destroy Bavaria. W. Oda.
This is gonna be cancer.
Bro, what the fuck was that?
Okay, move up. Everyone, move up! 3, 2, 1, chant! Ocean, get back in your fucking VC. I don't want any external voices here. Yeah, I see them. I see them, Wes. Down the road, boys, down the road! Get on the road.
Gen 3, 2, 1, chant.
Stay on the road, or else you're gonna have a very, very hard time walking.
Gen 3, 2, 1, chant.
Alright, everyone, to the right. Form here, hold your shots, hold your shots.
3, 2,
Make
1,
ready, present, fire! Say fire at will, fire at will.
Gen 3, 2, 1, chant. Let's see over here.
Make sure spacing is good, make sure spacing is good. Keep firing. Aim at the torso, aim at the torso. It's a straight shot, straight shot.
2, 1, chant.
Keep firing.
Gen 3, 2, 1, chant.
Move up.
You sure bullet drop is that thing on
Come to me, come to me. We're moving up. Oda's moving up. Form here. Fire at them, fire at them.
Gen 3,
Look at the
2,
blob.
1, chant.
Move up. Form here.
Gen 3, 2, 1, chant.
Fire at the Italians. Look at that, they're blobbed up. Keep firing, keep firing.
Gen 3, 2, 1, chant.
Keep firing, boys. Look at that, it's a massacre.
Gen 3, 2, 1, chant. Holy shit.
Move on.
These are good.
Holy shit. 3 points. Form here. Fire.
Gen.
Aim at the torso, aim at the torso.
Gen 3, 2, 1, chant.
Keep firing, boys, keep firing.
Gen 3, 2, 1, chant.
Move up. And keep moving up, keep moving up.
Gen 3, 2, 1, chant.
Yeah, guard regiment diffuse. We're gonna keep moving up.
Gen 3,
Keep moving up,
2,
keep
1,
moving
chant.
Form here. Fire at them. Fire at the right, fire at the right. Look out on the right, fire at the right. Fire at the right. Ryan's on the right, fire at the right.
Gen
Fire,
3,
fire,
2, 1,
fire.
chant.
Form here.
We got a number for them.
Fire, fire, fire. Oh shit, pull.
Gen 3, 2, 1, chant.
We gotta go, What the fuck? And form here. Fire at the Italians, fire at the Italians. And pull.
Gen 3, 2,
Pulling
1,
forward.
chant.
Form here. Fire at Bavaria. They're right in front of us, to the right, to the right.
Flag up.
Flag! Oh my god,
Gen
flaggers,
3,
you guys are
2,
so
1,
fucking
chant.
retarded. Hold, pick up the flag! Okay. Come to me.
Gen 3, 2, 1, chant.
Get ready, get ready. Come to me.
Gen 3, 2, 1,
They're
chant.
gonna try to surprise us. Get ready? Fire! Charge it! Charge it! Charge it! Charge it! Blob! 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 Flag up! Blob up! Blob up! Charge him! Move up! Move up! Move up! We're winning! Go! 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 Flag up! Get their ass! Let's go!
They're not even on our level, guys. They're not even on our level.
Keep going up! Keep moving up! Keep moving up! We got it. Move up.
In 3, 2,
Moving
1,
up.
count.
Down the road. Down the road. Flag up. Keep firing. Keep going. Charge into them. Go, 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 go.
In 3, 2, 1, count.
Keep going. Keep going. Break them. Break them. Good shit.
You know,
Move up here.
what's your left, what's your left, what's your left?
Yeah, move up here. Move up here. Move up here. And form to my left here. Flag, keep moving this way. We gotta pull. We gotta pull. Okay, everyone pull now. Everyone pull now. Come to me, actually. We're far enough. We can start recovering. Epic, epic, epic. Everyone move up. Come to me, come to me, come to me. Okay, everyone this way. We're just recovering company. It's really slow. Holy shit. We're gonna move up with you, Legio. 1. Get ready? Get ready, get ready? Jump! Form here. Fire, fire, fire. Flag, stay behind the wall, stay behind the wall. Pull, 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 pull. Peter, where's my chance? Oh my fucking god! Yo, this fucking dipshit. Deputy, someone get it. Someone get it.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Sorry about that, my dad came in.
I don't give a shit. Peter, you're not chanting anymore.
Dude,
Deputy, you're chanting.
3, 2,
Keep pulling,
1,
keep pulling.
chant.
Not my fault.
We need help on the right. Oda needs help on the right. Ah, fuck. We got capped. Oda got capped. Okay. Peter, these chants are necessary. Holy shit.
Dude, I'm sorry.
Deputy, you're chanting now. Peter, get the fuck back. Get the fuck back to audience. I get it. Whatever dad issues, but I need chanters right now. Okay, move up.
Johnny,
No more
3,
experience.
2, 1, chant.
I need a full bar. Deputy, I need a full bar.
We have cooldown now. Johnny, 3, 2, 1, chant.
Everyone on the road. Everyone on the road. Otherwise, they're gonna be slow as fuck. Stay on the road. If you're on the mud, you're gonna be slow.
Johnny, 3, 2, 1, chant.
This way. We're gonna go down here.
Johnny, 3, 2, 1, chant.
Okay, move up this road. Move up this road. Oda's coming in. Okay, form here. Fire at Britain.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Keep firing. Keep firing. Torso shots. Remember, torso shots.
Johnny, 3, 2, 1, chant.
Torso shots. Keep firing. Okay, move up. Form here. Fire at the
Johnny,
Bavarian.
3,
And then we're
2,
gonna cross the
1,
bridge.
chant.
Move up. Okay, no, form here. Flag, get ready to pull. And pull now. Pull.
Johnny, get 3, 2, 1, chant.
Pull. Guys, we have to pull. We have to pull. Look on our left. Fucking no. Form here.
Johnny, 3,
UK.
2, 1, chant.
Okay, move up. Down the bridge.
Oh shit.
Form here.
Johnny, 3, 2,
UK.
1, chant.
Okay, pull. I thought you were pressing.
Johnny, 3, 2, 1,
Pull.
chant. Oh, I keep dying.
No, I'm talking about guard. I thought guard was pressing.
Pick up the flag. Johnny, 3, 2, 1, chant.
No, they're not. French guard. Come to me. Yeah, I thought French guard was pushing, bro. Form here.
Oh, 3, 2, 1, chant. Pick up
Keep
the
firing.
flag.
Fire at the UK, fire at the UK.
23, 2, 1, chunk.
Keep firing, boys.
Trying to get you 3, 2, 1, chunk.
Okay, pull slightly for me.
Trying to get you 3, 2, 1, chunk. Their flag's been down for a while.
Keep firing.
23, 2, 1, chunk.
No, it's just a guy under the bridge. Pull. Down the road, flag.
Trying to get you 3, 2,
Fire
1,
at the UK.
done.
Keep firing.
I hit mark and I'll kill the fuck.
Good shit. Good shots, boys.
23,
Okay, pull
2,
up the
1,
road.
chunk.
Down the road. Down the road. Keep pulling. Keep pulling.
23, 2, 1, chunk. Flag up.
Come to me. Come to me. Form here. Keep firing.
23, 2, 1, chunk.
It's not even that bad, bro. Jesus. He comes to me.
Bro, hit mark and I'll kill again. 23, 2, 1,
Pull
chunk.
to me. Form here.
That's so far.
Yeah, we're currently trying to hold back the 3 Omega lines.
23, 2, 1, chunk.
Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, pull to me, pull to me. I'm just trying to hold back the 3 lines that were ganging up on the 2, okay? Jeez. Move up.
23, 2, 1,
here.
chunk. What the fuck, bro?
From here. Fire at them, fire at them.
Bro, what the fuck? Why are so many hit markers and no kills? 23, 2, 1,
And they're
chunk. By the way, guys, you can easily hit
From
jump
here.
shots, so try it. 23,
Fire.
2, 1, chunk. Pick up the flag.
Stay in line for now. Our morale is slightly low. Keep firing at Bavaria.
Twenty-three, 2, 1, chunk.
You ready? Move up the road. Form here.
Trying to get you 3, 2, 1, chunk.
Fire. Keep firing.
23, 2, 1, chunk.
That's fine.
23, 2, 1, chunk.
Move up. Hey, French guard, you do realize to our left is a UK line, right? We have to be a little cautious.
23, 2, 1, chunk.
Move up. Now! Move up! Go! Chase them!
Shit. You got the flag.
Get your
23,
asses!
2,
Get your
1, chunk.
asses! Holy shit! Move up! Oh shit! Pull!
Big fat 23, 2, 1, chunk. Oh shit.
Keep pulling! Get ready to counter charge. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Now counter charge. Go! Up! Get to Bavaria! Go!
Trying to pick up the flag.
Man, you guys need to pick up the fucking flag. Move up.
23, 2, 1, chunk. We're gonna bring.
Oh shit, pull, this way. Sorry, my bad. This way, to me.
We're on circle.
French guard, we're gonna pull. Oh shit.
23, 2, 1,
Keep pulling. Get the flag up! Down the road! Hayaku! Drop that fucking flag now.
He's 1 HP, you can drop it, guys.
Come on, down the road! Holy shit. Yo, what the fuck is this, man? Up. We got capped. Turns out 4 reload is devastating when you're a 15-man line. Oh shit.
We're destroying our match.
Well, yeah, no shit, but that doesn't exchange the fact we are still a 15-man line. Oh. Okay, everyone down the road. We're gonna go this way.
23, 2, 1, chant.
By the way, you know, I back up Bavaria, so it's a trade.
You cap Bavaria?
Holy
yeah,
shit.
I back up Bavaria,
We're
so
gonna-
it's a trade.
Oh, okay.
That shit is devastating. I think we need to, like... What we're gonna have to do is basically play a lot more defensive than I currently am.
But Bavaria
We're doing
never
really
got-
well, though. Their DPP is high, all things considered. Get ready?
Everyone's DPP is fine.
Okay, move up.
23,
Well, not
2,
everyone.
1, chant. Oh yeah, Bavaria's DPP is not high. That's Bavaria.
Okay, we're back.
Oh no, right, it's enemies by the way.
Or mirror.
23, 2, 1, chant.
Oh, they didn't die from melee. We just got shot to bits after we broke. Keep firing at the British flag. Keep firing.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Form here. Vesperia, you don't have to pull.
Twenty-three, 2, 1, chant.
Pull. Up. Pull. And form here. We need help on the right. Someone to match 84M.
No, if I stay behind the rock.
And
23, 2, 1, chant.
Yeah, we're gonna collapse. Oda's gonna collapse under 84M. It's like 40
Go
men,
fuck,
dude.
go fuck.
Form here.
23, 2, 1, chant.
And move up. Move up. Don't worry, French Guard is coming soon. Form here. French Guard, I need you to go match 84M. Where are you going, bro? French Guard, where are you going?
23,
Yo.
2, 1, chant.
Nah, this guy's fucking I don't know, bro. Okay, move up. Okay, I can move up now. I'm gonna help you with your line.
23, 2,
Come here.
1, chant.
Fire BA. Move up. Keep moving up. Hold W.
Three, 2, 1, chant.
Keep holding W. Hold W. Oda's gonna hold W. Oh shit, Oda's gonna hold W. Go.
Oh yeah.
Get that
Yo!
flag. Get it.
Yo!
Pull. I got it.
23, 2,
I'm gonna take a screenshot.
1, chant.
W. Okay, move up. Oda, move up. Hell yeah, let's move up, boys.
3, 2, 1,
Okay, form here.
chant.
Make ready, present, fire! Go
We
for
deleted them, so we deleted them. They got deleted. Holy shit!
Keep form here, keep firing!
Oh,
Keep
no.
firing! Keep firing! Okay, move up.
23, 2, 1, chant.
Hold W!
Shit, they're coming to the right.
Let's go!
Ah, shit, it's
Keep
gone.
holding W on this.
23, 2, 1, chant.
Keep holding W. Move up.
Vesperia, yeah.
Keep moving up.
23, 2, 1, chant.
Okay, pull. And form here. Fire. Keep
23,
firing.
2, 1, chant.
Italy, I need you to match your line. Pull. Yo, Vasp. I need you to match your line. I really need you to match your line.
Flag off.
Vesp, look behind you, bro! Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Oh my god. Okay, now move up, now move up.
23, 2, 1, chant.
Fire.
Can't hit shift.
Hold up, move up, move up.
Trying to get you 3,
Form
2, 1, chant.
Fire. Keep firing. And
Fuck
form here.
off.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
23, 2, 1, chant. Fuck off again.
Keep firing, keep firing. Form here.
23, 2, 1, chant.
Keep firing, boys. Keep firing. Okay, pull.
Trying to get you 3, 2, 1, chant.
No, you guys are so fucking retarded, flag guards.
Again.
Flag guards. Jesus Christ. Kick up the flag. You have no brain cells? Deputy, that includes you, buddy.
Dead, bro. 23, 2, 1, chant.
Keep firing, keep firing.
Why is Spear not
Firing at
firing?
Bavaria, keep firing at Bavaria. Come on, torso shots, boys. Torso shots. Holy shit, torso shots.
Trying to get you 3, 2, 1, chant.
Torso shots, boys. Torso shots. Keep firing. Torso shots, boys. Torso shots.
Kills. What the fuck?
Torso shot.
2, 1, chant. Our left is falling. 23, 2, 1, chant.
Get ready? Keep firing. Keep firing.
Their flag is down.
Move. We can break them. Go.
23, 2, 1, chant.
Form here. Fire. Just break them. Yep, move up now. And pull. Flag, pull. Rankers, pull. I know you want to get that flag, but look at our right. Look at our right. Pull this way. And form here. Fire the French.
23, 2, 1, chant.
Guard, since we broke Bavaria, we're gonna give you some temporary support.
Trying to get you 3, 2,
Love.
1, chant.
Form here.
Bavaria's back.
Keep firing.
23, 2, 1, chant. Bavaria's back.
Keep firing at the French on the right. The Bavarians don't matter nearly as much. We're gonna keep firing at the right. You should move up, guard. Keep firing at the right line. Keep firing at the right line. Move up. Push.
3, 2, 1,
No.
chant.
We're gonna melt like these fucks. Get that flag. Move up.
23, 2, 1,
Okay, pull.
chant.
Pull. Form here.
Oh, fuck.
Fire at the Austrian line.
Trying to get you 3, 2, 1, chant.
Italy, tell me when you can move up.
Hit marker, no kill, bro. Like 10 times.
Okay, guard. You should. Yeah.
23, 2, 1, chant.
Hold W. Guard, go for the kill. Go for the throat. Down the road. Move. Get the asses. Go. Flag, stay safe. Flag. Stay safe. Melee. Engage in melee, boys.
Flag up again.
Oh shit. Keep meleeing them, boys. Okay, flag, move up. This way.
23, 2, 1, chant.
This way. Yes! Vesperia!
Oh, hell yeah.
Go!
23, 2, 1, chant. Yeah, they're counts. They're concepts.
Move!
Yeah, they got cut. They got deleted. 23, 2,
Okay, pull to me, pull to
1,
me.
turn.
Everyone pull to me, pull to me, pull to me. Pull, 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 pull. There's no more enemies there. Okay, form here.
Oh,
Fire BA,
shit.
fire BA.
That's stuck.
Form a line, boys.
3, 2,
Fire
1,
BA.
turn. Oh, you did not allow me to get kills with your
Move up.
Did we just make a death stuck pull? Wow.
No, they saw the other lines behind us and pulled. Form here.
23, 2, 1, turn.
Aim for the torso, boys. Okay, move up. Move up.
3, 2, 1, turn.
LW. Form here. Fire. Keep firing. Move up.
23, 2, 1, turn.
Form here. Keep firing, keep firing.
Dude, 23, 2, 1, turn.
Move up. Form here. Fire the BA, fire BA, fire BA. Look at that, it's side shots, it's side shots, it's free kills, boys. We're pummeling 42nd right now because we're shooting from their side. Oh yeah, move, 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 move. Yeah, you got it! Go, 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 go. We're
got
moving
it!
up!
Oh, I was caught penny. 23,
Ah, shit.
2, 1, turn.
Keep going, keep going.
I almost got it.
Keep going, keep going! Hold W, Italy!
3, 2, 1, turn.
Go, go, go! Blitz their asses! Move, move, move!
23, 2, 1, turn. Flag up.
Keep going, boys!
Shit,
Hold W, hold W! Oh shit, we have to form up. Form here! Fire! Yeah, no, 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 well, we're about to break. We're gonna do the covering fire.
23, 2,
Keep
1,
firing.
turn.
Keep firing, boys. Hold position, hold position. Okay, move up. Form here. Okay, flag's gonna stay slightly far away.
23, 2, 1,
Okay,
turn.
stay in line, stay in line. Holy shit. It's not that hard. Stay in line. We need company.
Oh, fuck.
Stay in line, boys. We need
2,
company.
1, turn.
You ready? Move up. Okay, Oda has sufficient enough company. We're gonna move up now.
Go.
Come here. Fire, fire,
3,
hold the line,
2,
fire.
1, turn.
Good shit, good shit. Keep firing. Move up. Holy
Push
shit.
them.
Oh, push, push, push.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hell yeah, we deleted him, go.
Yes. Did we get it?
Go.
Okay, everyone to me, everyone to me. Thanks, man.
23, 2, 1, turn.
Come here.
Yeah.
RBA.
We did delete them as well.
Keep firing, keep firing.
23, 2, 1,
Oh my god,
turn.
we're shredding them.
Did we just delete that stack? Holy fuck.
I was about to move up, not gonna lie. I was about to move up. Move up, move up.
Oh, that's not that stack. That's a 20.
Keep moving up, keep moving up.
Oh shit, we have a 44-man line.
Form here, form here, form here.
9.
Fire at Bavaria, fire Bavaria.
23, 2, 1, turn.
Yo, guard, guard, you need to move up. Down, hold the road, hold the road. Go, go, go. Oh, shit.
Oh fuck!
Guard, to your left, guard. French guard.
Run away! Run away! Run away! Oh shit!
No, no,
Hey, if you're in the back, go in. Hey, if you're in the back, go in.
Okay, form here, form here, form here. Fire them, fire
23,
them.
2, 1, turn.
Go there, move, 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 move. Flag, move up, flag, 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 move up. We juked them, we juked them.
Yeah.
Keep moving up, keep moving up.
23, 2, 1, turn.
Form here.
Shit, what the fuck?
Keep firing, keep firing. Yeah, no problem, no problem, no problem. Guard, I need you to pace your line, dude. I know it's fun farming people, but I actually really need you to face your line right now. Please help. French guard, come on, man. Okay, keep firing, keep firing, keep firing. They're fucking in shambles. I don't know what they're doing.
23, 2, 1, turn.
Keep firing, boys. They don't lose company while they're in rush? That's some bullshit. Keep firing, keep firing.
5 stars. 10 minutes left. 23, 2, 1, turn.
Keep firing, keep firing, keep firing. Move up. Down the road, down the road, down the road. Down the road, go, go, go! We're after them, boys!
Yeah, 23, 2, 1, turn.
Come here. Fire, 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 fire at them, fire at them. Fire these shits.
Fuck yeah! 23, 2, 1, turn.
Oh shit. Okay, everyone pull.
Why is guard pulling, bro?
No, they got capped.
23, 2, 1, turn.
I don't think I can hold a 40-man line, but I'll try. Move up, move up.
There is no 40-man line. There's only 21, 29 man line.
Kinda busy handling your line, buddy.
23, 2, 1, turn.
Keep firing, keep firing. Pull, 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 pull. Down the road, down the road. Flag up, please! Please!
Flag.
Please!
23,
Go, go, go,
2,
down the road, we gotta go, boys! Oh shit!
3, 2, 1, turn.
Move, move, move. Guard, we're about to die. It's been nice.
Very nice to meet you.
Oh wait, no, no, we're good, we're good. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling!
Alright.
And
23,
keep pulling, keep
2, 1, turn. Oh, hell no. Guys, try to jump.
From here, from here. Fire at them, they're blocked up.
23, 2, 1, turn.
Keep firing, keep firing, keep firing. We can follow up guard, I think. Okay, pull, 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 pull.
Turn again in 3, 2, 1, turn. They are full.
Come here.
Do you see Vesperia?
Fire.
Do you see Vesperia on the left?
Yeah, no, but Vesperia still has to match their line. No, I can see it on the horizon. Move up.
We just deleted them, bro. Oh man. 23, 2, 1, turn.
Form here. Fire. God, why are you pulling so much?
It's a fucking NCO problem, I'm scared. 23,
You're okay now,
2,
guard.
1, turn.
Stop. Okay, move up.
My balls.
Form here. Fire BA. Fire BA. Fire BA. You can jump shot if you want. Pull, 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 pull.
23, 1, turn.
Pull. We gotta go.
Oh.
Okay, get ready? Form here. Fire
3,
BA.
2, 1, turn.
Keep firing at them. Look at that. We're shredding them. Jesus Christ. Get ready? Down the road. Form here.
Oh shit. Pick up the flag.
Well, I'm trying to push up, but French guard is like being a pussy, bro. It's not my fault. Okay, pull, 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 pull. Form here. Fire BA. Okay, move up now. Now, up with the road. Up with the road.
Once again. No, no, wait. 3, 2, 1, turn.
Yo, 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 that was too long, bro. Keep hold W, hold W.
Turn in 3, 2, 1, turn.
Keep moving up, keep moving up.
Oh shit. They just got deleted.
Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving.
We could go on the left and march that line.
Okay, go over here, fire at the flags, fire at the flags. We're not gonna be able to catch up, just fire at the flags.
You know, a line behind us.
Keep firing, keep firing, keep firing.
23,
It's fine,
2,
I don't
1,
care.
turn.
Keep firing. Keep firing, okay, now to the left. Form here.
240 slots.
Last period, we're gonna try to cover you.
2, 1,
Fire at the flag, fire at the flag, fire at the flag, fire at the flag. Yeah, 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 yeah! Move up! Form here. Keep firing. Oh my god, it's devastating.
3, 2,
firing at
1,
them.
taunt.
Move up. Come here.
I dropped to 14 by the way. Turning
Keep
in
firing.
3, 2, 1, taunt.
Keep firing at BA. Keep firing at BA. Okay, pull. Down the road. Down the road. Deer. Oh shit. We gotta go.
Okay. Turning in 3, 2, 1, taunt.
And come to. Still left. Come here. Fire.
Fuck. Turning 3, 2, 1, taunt.
to the
Can
road.
you yell at guard, bro?
Everyone
Pick up
pull.
the flag.
Yo, pull! Down the road! Oh! Holy shit, run! Yo, we gotta go. Don't do that sideways shit! Oh, we're fucked. I told you not to do that sideways shit. Oda got capped. Why did you do the sideways shit, operator? I told you not to do it! Oh!
You know, you've got 7 stars.
Oh,
shit.
hell! Hey, we're tough fragging. Yeah.
You know,
Oh my god, they dropped their flag. They dropped the flag. That's crazy.
you know, you're currently 11 points from 7 stars. 11 DPP. So if you can get back there, you can probably get 7 stars.
You mean from 8?
No, oh yeah, from 8 stars. I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, bro, did not care about that at all.
Yes. Okay. Let's go.
Turning 3, 2, 1, taunt.
All W, boys. We're gonna get back in here.
Oh man, I can't even get 80 kills now.
All W, this way. Guys, we're winning so hard we might be able to offset the fact that the other parts are losing.
Yo! You know, Pierre got 50 kills.
This way.
Turning 3, 2, 1, taunt. This is a historical day. Even though he's one of the ball fraggers. Got 50 kills.
Deputy, if you don't stop mocking me, that Shimazu Forever role looks nice and removable.
Why does it take so long? We're not losing because of this server. We're losing because of the other servers. They have skill issues.
Yeah. Right. Oh shit.
Are they
They're
holding
losing
up
hard.
the house?
How the fuck are they losing so hard?
Walking
They suck.
simulator.
They fucking suck.
Hey, guard, move up. Okay, to the left. We're not gonna be able to catch that. We might as well. Our best chance is going down the road. Oh, for me. Fire the French. Fired him.
I can't see shit. Turning 3, 2, 1, taunt.
Keep firing. For me. Fire the French guard. Fire. Okay,
Turning
move up.
3, 2, 1, taunt.
Oh, W. Go.
we deleted him. Pick it up, cupcake. Take it. No!
Yes! We capped the flag on the right.
didn't yet.
Left. Move up.
We did not copy yet, bro. Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, but only now we
Move
got
up.
it. Why'd you pull?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, taunt.
Fire. Cap that shit. Get the flag. Go. Get it. Move up. Get it.
23, 2, 1, taunt.
Get it. Pull. We cap Bavaria.
Yeah, we got it. 23,
Come here.
2, 1, taunt.
Fire BA. Hottage. Oh my god.
Oh no, I pull back.
Pull.
23, 2, 1, chunk.
Form here. Fire BA.
Oh fuck that shit, I run away, bro.
Now pull. Oh shit, this way, pull this way, pull this way.
Shit. 23, 2, 1, chunk. We can go back, we can go back, we can go back. Why?
No, guard's
why?
done. Okay, move up.
Man.
Form here.
23, 2, 1, chunk.
Unit farm points, you're 6 DPP off, you're 6 DPP off.
Keep
Just
shooting.
farm kills. Get your
Okay, now.
DPP up, bro.
Charge them! Charge!
Last DPP, bro, come on.
Blob up! Blob up! Blob up! Get those kills! Get those kills!
I can't, bro. I can't hit him. Oh man. Can't get none of
We
that
did it! We got 170!
We did it.
Where the fuck are the enemies?
Absolutely goated.
The faggots are all dead, bro. Stop killing them.
Keep
Kill them.
firing. Kill him!
No, you let me kill them. They're all dead, bro. Come find them. Fuck's this shit? Oh no, bro. Couldn't have been my kill record. That's crazy. Only 84 kills. I got attendance.
Okay, everyone. Screenshot. Someone get
got
the someone get We won!
Yeah.
We carried all the servers! We carried all the
Yeah.
servers!
Yeah.
Yes! We carried all the servers! No, we carried all the servers. Holy shit, guys.
So good, bro.
No way. We just capped that, guys. Form 2 ranks. 2 ranks.
That
2 ranks.
is crazy.
2 lines, guys. 2 lines. Wait, you know, I think we should technically form up to next to Vesperia because they're our brethren. They wanted a picture with us.
No, we should form over Bavaria. He's like right in front of them because we decimated him. Bavaria,
Yeah,
We're on the
fucks
far
up.
left. We're on the far left.
Bro, Bavaria dropped to 5 people.
They're all coming to us. They're coming to us.
They,
Guys,
they
guys,
actually-
Everyone, we're gonna follow Garden Vesperia. We're gonna have a ceremony. Everyone, let's go.
No, I think they're forming next to us. You don't.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, yeah,
Oh
they're
shit,
doing
we
it.
are. Okay, everyone to me. Everyone to me. Form here. Form a line here.
It's best spacing.
Best spacing, boys.
We
Come
want to
on.
prove to our brethren who we are. Best
Flag.
spacing.
Just stand in the front. Come to here. Come here.
They've
Come
got
here.
no morale.
Form a line. Right here. Form a line. Okay, make ready. Present 45 degrees into the air. And fire.
Let's do
Holy
a
shit,
chant
boys.
for our Andor brethren.
Daddy, bring the wrong side of the
Everybody
line.
chant Banzai in 3, 2, 1, Banzai.
I'm being raped in game by HMS. Oh,
Brother, we deserve it. We got 7 stars as a 16-man line.
8 dumbass, 8 stars.
That was really fun. Honestly, that was some of the most fun I've ever seen. Like, the amount of, like, the chases we had to endure. But it was all worth it. Because, like, oh my god, our DPP is beautiful. How did we get... Oh, we have it. It's...
Thank you, everybody. sit around.
GG. You are worthy of the praise of the goddess of victory. Our Shogun, the femboy herself, Cool Commander Squid, worthy of the praise. Real shit.
We have blessed Andor with the goddess of victory.
Everyone say GG. Everyone say GG. These fellas are cool.
yeah, that's why I'm in Vesperia. Yeah.
That was fun as fuck. Alright, I think I've already taken attendance. Did we only have 16 men? Hey, Ella joined midway. That doesn't count, buddy.
Eliwell?
Yeah, hey, someone get the flag, please.
No, Eliwell was always here, bro. What do you mean? Wait, he left? He was here.
Okay, we're gonna do a screenshot. Everyone to me. Form here. Just form a regular line.
No fucking morale. 3, 2, 1, chant.
I count, take a picture. Lord, get in line, buddy.
Wait. We need
Wow, wow, I see how it is.
space. We need spacing. We look like shit.
Yeah.
Look-
Space out, boys.
Look
Hold
like
on.
great hard.
Cupcake, get in line. You can get off. We're never gonna get a screenshot. Okay, come to me, boys. Form here.
AV trucks, space, now space. You're destroying my picture.
And now, everyone, get ready to say cheese, okay?
Oh,
3,
right.
2, 1. Say cheese. Someone take a picture. I can't do it.
Cheese.
Let me get in the middle so I can take a photo.
Is no one taking a picture or what?
I am. Give me a second. Alright. Okay.
Cupcake, get in line, bro. Oh, give officer and I do? Okay. Hold on. Where the fuck are you? Yeah. Okay, there, take a picture. Cupcake's doing the picture. Okay, 3. Get ready. Void. Get in line, bro. What you doing?
Just say cheese whenever you are ready.
Okay, cheese, go. Just take it.
W collab with Andor.
Okay, I got it.
Alright,
They have
everyone.
actual
You
bad
guys
stuff.
did really well. We're gonna praise none other than the Shogun and the 2 goddesses, obviously. Not deputy. Thank goodness.
I was
Everyone,
praised.
crouch! Hats off! Today we will praise none other than the femboy Shogun herself, the goddess of victory! Cool
She's
Commander
gonna fuck.
Squid! Shogun no Tamani in 3, 2, 1, Shogun no Tamani. And finally, we are going to praise none other than the Empress herself, the goddess of beauty and the Empress of all Japan! Keiko with all of her finest features. Tenoheka Banzai in 3, 2, 1, Tenoheka Banzai. And with that, you guys are dismissed. Get out of my face, enjoy life.